Para kay Nadine tsaka kay James. Kasi syempre, gusto rin malaman ng inyong mga fans na ano ba talaga yung real score sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. May something na ba kaming aabangan or wala pa?
May something na ba silang pakikialaman? Charing na.
For now, friends lang kami.
Aha.
We're just friends, partners.
Aha.
But,
Great partners.
we have plans for Valentine's Day actually.
Oh,
Just
cool.
tomorrow. So watch out for that.
Cool and cute ang sabi. Nadine, baka iba pwede niya sabihin. Ano na bang real score? Kasi usually pag love team, dyan kayo didikdikin talaga ng mga kaibigan natin. Ako as a media person, gusto ko ring malaman eh. Ano bang real score
Kami po
between
ni
you?
James, me and James, we're very close.
Mhm.
He's my closest na kaibigan talaga.
Okay.
Kasi, yun po, we're a team and we work together, so, yun po, really very close friends.
Both sa lalaki and babae, siya yung pinaka-close
Yes.
mo talaga ngayon. Medyo special yung Hindi, kasi di ba, inamin niyang very close, so special yung closeness nila. Cool. Okay na, Irvin?
Pero hindi, may follow-up ko. Kasi di ba yung may nabalita yung nag-date na kayo. Ano ba yung friendly date lang or nanliligaw na talaga si James kay Nadine?
You dated daw before? Nag-dates kayo?
Concert event.
We went to a concert date po kasi noong 1975 in the Vamps. Kasi yung taste po namin ni James for music kasi almost the same. So, parang...
Actually, I didn't know who the band was, 1975.
But
Who
so
asked?
But I
some
had
of the
tickets,
songs.
so I asked her to go. Because I know she likes them.
You asked her out na if you wanted to.
She's familiar with the band, so I didn't know, so I asked her to go with me.
So it was,
I
kayong
guess,
dalawa lang yun?
like,
Wala nang
a
iba?
friendly date.
Wala nang ibang kasama kayo? Kayong dalawa lang?
There were other artists there.
So, yeah, there were other Viva artists din po dun sa concert.
Okay.
Mga bonding moments niyo together.
Mall show, etching, TVC shoot. How do you band ba? Aside from yung mga mall show, paano kayo nagbaband? May banding ba kayo o
Well,
yun na yun?
yun po, as in, we're always working po, so palagi din kami magkasama.
Okay. Parang too much na kasi magkasama sa mall show, teleserye, endorsement shoot. James, meron ba bang iba na form of bonding niyo?
Every day, our schedules every day together. Every day. So
Grabe.
it's
Actually, alam ko schedule nila. Movies, TV. Correct. Okay, thanks, Irvin.
Thank you, Irvin. Our next
First mo sa Dreamscape, di ba?
Yes po.
So how does it feel na finally nasa Dreamscape ka na?
Masaya po kasi nagkataon lang talaga na nasunod-sunod sa kabila. Pero one of the units that I really wanted to enter was the Dreamscape from the start. And yun nga, nung sinabi sa akin, right away, sinabi ko sa Eric, nung sinabi ka sa akin na Dreamscape, I already accepted it right away. Tapos, actually, one of my dreams, actually, sa totoo lang, kaya sobrang excited na. I'm excited to work with each and everyone. Of course, new bonding, new family to be with for the next 3 to 5 months. One of my dreams, actually, is maka-eksena si Mr. Joel to. One of my biggest dreams, and of course, yun nga, it's about to happen. And of course, I'm excited to work with James and Nadine, who also worked with my best friend Joseph. And also, I'm really thankful, of course, Mr. Cherry Pie, Bianca, and everyone else. I'm really thankful for Dreamscape for giving me this opportunity